and we're expected to work a whole lot more for a whole lot less. So I understand when the young people come in and they're 25, 26, and they only manage to work 4 days. They went through school or college and maybe they only went 4 days. And they
what's wrong with a 4-day week? Why don't we change? What's wrong with a 4-day week? Maybe they have the right idea. You know what I mean? Like everything that is doesn't always mean that it should be.
Yeah.
There's change is a good thing.
Yeah. I only work 4 days now. Now they're 4 long days. But I mean, now it's like I used to say when I left the dealer, I'll never go back to some place that will make me work a Saturday again. I flat out friggin' refuse.
I haven't had to work Saturdays in a long time, and I agree with you. There's no reason for it.
I'll find a different line of work before I'll ever work a Saturday again. And now I get spoiled, and it's like every weekend is a long weekend. If I had to find another job tomorrow, it'd be definitely something I would consider if it meant less money. But to keep the 3-day weekend, it's pretty tempting, man. You get used to it. So
it's like I'm damaged to the point where, not damaged, but like just from working this way, like if I get more than 2 days off in a row, I feel like I'm doing something wrong.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You're like, why haven't I been to work? Because it's like, if you don't go to work for 2 days, your money's messed up. You know what I mean? Like what? And that's just, I'm telling you, man, it's rough. Like you get to the point where you can't sit down because you don't know how to.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's just because any job I've ever had, dude, sitting wasn't something that they encouraged.
Yeah.